6907, that's for you, Jack Lewis. That's his YouTube account, Railfanning6907. Subscribe to him, even though he doesn't Railfan.
Amtrak tickets only. Amtrak tickets only.
That was weak. Engineer could have done better.
Bye guys.
Alright, see ya.
Later, good to see you.
You too.
Tell your mom I said hello.
Will do. 6907, that's for you, Jack Lewis. Again, that is his YouTube account, is Surfliner6907, and that is his favorite cab car, so subscribe to Surfliner6907. Even though he doesn't Railfan anymore, still subscribe to him. He's got yeah. Now guys, I'm recording with this camera again. We found a charger for my Panasonic, but for today I am recording with this. But next event, or next time I go out Railfanning, hopefully I can charge up the battery in my Panasonic camera, and that I'll be out Railfanning with that soon. So that'll be a cut. Arrival time for Fan to LA and Crazy Angel 1000.
I forgot to bring the last couple of events.
What is it?
Come in.
Oh, right. Welcome back, Fan to LA. This is also his welcome back party, aside from Angel's 16th birthday bash.
Someone want to catch this? Catch it.
Alright.
Catch it. Catch it. Oh. And the runner scored!
There it is.
Eric. Bro, nice shirt.
That'll be a wrap. And now arrival time for RedLightning. Invited me over, so because RedLightning wanted me to do his arrival video also. So
Yep, all hail RedLightning. Awesome.
yeah. So brought to you by Hawaiian Punch.
And Pepsi Canada Ginger Ale.
That was the Pepsi that I had owed Eric because the Dodgers took 3 of 4 from the Padres first weekend of September. So Critical Series, it was actually pretty alright.
Brought to you by the old freeway series we had.
Oh yeah, huh?
We swept you guys at home. We beat you guys again almost.
Yeah. If it wasn't for Garrett Richards, it's Gem. Haha. Sure, I believe this is 461, but I'm not entirely sure on that. It should be 461 though. And we're rolling.
First video narrating from Mexico. Back from Mexico.
Yeah, you just barely
for a
missed
second
5.
there, the audience would have gotten an impression that we were in Mexico. This is a Mexico train station, everyone. Even though it does have a layout of an American train station, don't be fooled.
Never mind. It's looks like 450.
Great, your tires.
And 2 Superliners. You don't see that much anymore. 4014. And 6905. That's for you, Crazy Taxi. And you know, this takes a little bit to start recording, so start over.
Run to a 582. Alright.
Also, stay tuned to the blooper video where Fan to LA kicks RedLightning's ass for missing his birthday.
Wait,
Actually,
what?
forgetting his birthday. Cancel that.
Yeah.
What are you talking about? We had a party here for your birthday.
I missed it. I forgot it was his birthday.
Oh.
Yeah, you forgot. That's why. It's all has been forgiven. I ain't gonna kick your ass.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Oh, it's been forgiven. I'm not gonna kick your ass, even though I brought my throwing knife with me.
No,
This
yeah,
is
that's
for
right.
nothing at all. It's just
Wait, was he
not
here
you.
on 821? Steven? Were you here last event?
I don't think so. Wait, when was the last one?
August 21st. I'm gonna have to look at that soon.
What? Michael, I'm gonna beat your ass.
Michael wasn't with us.
I know. He told me you guys canceled.
9:05.
No, we canceled today.
No. Michael said you guys wanted to hang out yesterday, or a couple days ago.
I canceled.
Yeah.
We both canceled actually.
Could have.
He was sick and.
Oh yeah. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Here comes 583 with a private card.
Yep.
There it goes. Here it comes. Fun fact, I saw this earlier today. No private card.
Hello, everybody. RedLightning here, along with
Venezuela
and someone.
Santa's budget for one and the new Crazy Angel 1000. Crazy Angel. Fun fact, looks like they hooked us up in San Diego.
Yep. Yeah, we need to do an improv. We need to do an improv story sometime.
Maybe.
Still.
Departure 583 with the Silver Splendor, my favorite private card. Take it easy, man. Please let me go out with you guys. It's so bad.
Dude, just jump on the thing and hold on. You don't need to sit in the car. I think
And there it is.
Please, thank you. That's so bad.
Fuck you, rich people.
Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, that might help. We're just talking this in March. Other words, I don't know about that.
Can you turn it off? Turn it off.
Turn what off?
Oh, they're playing the music.
Sorry for the sun, YouTube.
666 decay the evil train.
Yeah. $6.77. And
That's more 50. Oh, to the 50.
No, not there. No, not there. It's my place for Hispanics. Not a very good time.
it's train number 784.
This is RedLightning, and this is Arrival for 784. Fan to LA would have been making this introduction, but he decided to be a pansy and he's behind all.
He's at the other end. Oh, double header. 463 and 459. That's for me.
Okay, what the guy say?
He was saying that you would record it.
Yes. Thank you.
Whoa. Sucks. We're good. Uh-oh. Yeah, I know what's on the back of this.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Up!
No, that's denied, and so is this. 69.53.
Ayala? Or is it 52?
No, Ayala's 52 and 51.
Oh, there's.
This one's
I
for
actually
nobody
caught
because
51
it sucks
today.
so much.
They suck. I caught 51 today.
Yeah, it's not going to be coming back here till almost 11 at night, so.
Yeah. If I was recording, I would say it was for him, but
Yeah, yeah.